down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, hey, it's some Yunkies. Yunkies like to mess a little around. Let's go wide. Go wide. Okay. Let's see how humid it is back here if there's water, or is it dry? See how our lake looks like that we cross on the way over. Wow, that's a cool tree. Cool tree. See how much of the boardwalk is still here. Oh, our lake is pretty empty today. Anyway, I'm gonna look at the lake, I'll be right there. Wow. That's what we ride across during the winter. But looks pretty empty. Who knew there was greenery around there too? Didn't used to be. Okay. Whoa, we're missing some. Oh, we're missing a lot of shiza. Oh. Huh. Nobody told me this came apart.
Alright.
Is that gonna fall down? I'll let you go across first.
Pretty slanted.
Scared the birds out of there. Well, on the upside, it's not underwater. That's kind of wobbly, huh?
Yeah, give me just a minute.
Oh, take your time. Yeah, it's because it's half in the... Yeah, it's going to take me just a minute, too, to get up there. Come here, Sparky. Up. Oop. Oh. A seasonally flooded forest, yes. It's seasonally unflooded this year. Used to flood in the summertime. Or in spring anyway. Not very flooded this year. Whoa. This could be a little bit foreboding for what the hell happened to all this? They haven't fixed this since before COVID.
It's all volunteer.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we should call Lauren and have him volunteer. I didn't know it was all volunteer. I thought it was. Let's get over here first. Ah, nobody's using it anymore, I guess. Is this change again? Or is it just me? Oh, it's gonna be quite an interesting adventure. Oh, another tree coming down. Whoa, all kinds of trees coming down here. Unhappy trees. sure it's the human's fault. Yabba. Almost hit my head on that one. Wow. What is that? What is it that makes it so green? Go green water, keep on rolling. And that's what the forest looks like. It's a seasonally flooded forest. I think that water probably a little bit brackish. See how well this one does. I know I'm not going very fast because that's the first time we've been here this year. A little bit of a downhill there.